Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling gimmick at kanya-kanya.
Masira kasi po, babayaran niyo po yung items na mahahawakan yung masisira.
Okay, may picture na ako para sa photo essay.
Sabi ka ng isang fact tungkol sa saging. Saging.
Kulay dilaw.
It's a fruit.
Nice, nagka-contain ng potassium.
Ang banana ay isang berry.
Saging, katulad siya ng strawberry. Kung titignan mo, idadissect mo siya, pareha sila. Diba? Hindi ito to.
So we are now at the Ketchup Museum in Laguna, and here we can see the nutritional values of a banana. So what is in a banana? You may ask. Well, we have potassium, dietary fiber, vitamin B6, magnesium, and vitamin C. Pwede rin naman dagdagan mo pa ng niacinamide, salicylic acid, exfoliating. Kulang din yan! Ay, sorry.
Sa dinabi-dami ng prutas, ma'am, bakit saging po ang napiling i-ketchup?
Okay. According to the, yung information something to, kasi daw abundant ang Philippines in bananas. So, yun yung ginawang alternative ni Maria Arroz.
Ang galing! Nabasa mo yun? Hindi.
Si Maria Inagan Rosa is a food technologist during the World War. Walang supply ng tomato ketchup. So, nag-invent siya using the banana. So, na-invent yung banana ketchup. Wow! Ang galing! Okay, so now we are at the Sculpture Garden in UP Los Baños. So, come with me. Let's tour around together. Okay, be careful, be careful! There's a lot of sculptures, of course, because it's the sculpture garden, though. Well, anyway. Hello, so we're here now at UPLB and we came across Ate. What's your name? I'm Renzi Clarence Reyes. Okay, so we have a question we want to ask. What your favorite spot here?
Favorite spot is Carbo Park or Freedom Park kasi mostly doon nag-gather yung mga groups tungkol sa mga activities, doon kami nag-uusap and madalas doon nag-meet up yung mga friends. Doon kasi yung spot na malamig and maraming food.
Thank you so much. So now, again, we are in UPLB and we came across Kuya. What's your name?
Emil.
What year are you and your program?
I'm currently fourth year in BS Biology.
Oh, okay ba? So, maybe ask lang, what is your favorite spot in UPLB?
Siguro not necessarily spot, pero yung buong area ng forestry. Kasi if you have time na umakyat, or if you have energy, ayun, makikita nyo talaga yung siguro biodiversity ng plants and animals sa taas.
Okay.
Kasi kumpara dito sa lower campus, medyo developed na dito. Pero sa forest, makita nyo. Like yung Makiling Botanic Garden. Ayun. If may time kayo, pwede nyo yung akyat. Tapos may akyat naman dyan. Like makikita sa
Thank you po. Thank you po. Hello everyone, we are now in Museo ni Rizal at Calamba. Hi, we are now in line for Rio Grande. Rio Grande. Hi, boss. Say hi. Nakakahilo, but it's good, yes. It was a very great experience. Yes, don't buy buko pie here. Great. For our food, it was that we felt sleepy. Yan. Or I conclude na din ako uulit.
I think, therefore I am.
Sir, ikay di ba napindot?
Balik ito kay Sir.
Oo nga pala. Ako pala yung nagsabi ng ano nun, ng mechanics.
Very nice. Very sulit. Malalakas ang tama.
Pasapwet, gaboy.
Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan. May mga sariling gimmick at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay.